Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Trello Power-Ups. So let's get started. First, open the Trello board where you manage your projects with lists and cards. At the top of your board, you'll find the Power-Ups button. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to upgrading your Trello experience. Now click Add Power-Ups. You'll be taken to Trello's directory of available integrations. Here, you'll find a wide range of tools, each designed to add unique functionality to your board. If you're not sure which one to pick, start by browsing the featured section. It highlights some of the most popular and recommended power-ups to help you find the right fit quickly. To see which power-ups are already active on your board, open the Enabled tab. This lets you easily manage and review the integrations you've added. If you only want to see power-ups developed by Trello itself, go to the Made by Trello category. It's a great way to filter the options. You can also use the search bar if you already know which power-up you want, or if you'd like to explore by category. Just type the name or keyword, and you'll get all matching results instantly. Once you've found the power-up you want, click the Add button next to it. You may be asked to confirm your choice by clicking Add again. Make sure to read any setup instructions that appear. They explain how to use and configure the power-up correctly so you can get the most out of it. After everything is set up, close the menu and refresh your Trello page. This ensures that your new power-up loads properly. You'll now see it displayed next to the Power-Ups button, ready to use. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.